What's going on, you guys? Bag boys are at it again. That's the old one.
The new one doesn't work.
We're on the way. Let's go.
Oh.
Go look at the controller. I want it to fill up.
111, 112.
Should have bought coilovers. Guys, we're in Ocala. Sheesh, check out the YouTube boys over there. Oh my god. I parked right next to you guys. Ah,
The man, the myth,
the legend.
Legend.
How are you
man?
doing?
What's good, bro?
How was the drive,
Yes,
everybody?
sir. What's going on?
Trashed abs sucks.
Like shit, I broke an ankle.
Trashed abs, freaking apple. This thing is beautiful, you guys. What do you guys think about this? You like this? It's sick. It's actually a cool venue. What happened? That used to be you.
It's me, but I'm not breaking down right now. I'm looking like a goofball. It's not
See, that's adulting growing up. He has a nice car, doesn't want to drive it. He doesn't want to break down.
Is it a nice car though?
Learn something. This is sick.
It looks like you lost another one.
This is Boat Boy Robert, you guys. The best shooter in Orlando.
We have a chance of showers. Looking like it's gonna be a little sunny today.
Like, this shit is sick. Check out the whole lineup. Whoever Civic that is, fresh. E36, fresh. Miata with a rotary motor, fresh. You're not messing with my click right here.
Y'all niggas making fun of me?
Yes.
Oh, they just
And we made it, but we we didn't record anything. There you go, there you go guys. What the fuck are we recording? Oh my god. Come on.
The little Civic that could.
We're back at it. What's going on, you guys? Ocala was a fucking movie. I didn't record a lot, recorded a little. Still new to this. This is the shit that I've been talking about. I already took off the bumper and everything. I got these little side splitter things, OEM-style, color matched, raw. That goes on like right here. We're gonna do that. Then come check this out. Woo! This is gonna look so good. Something like that. Yeah. This is where we're at with this. Got this out of my garage. Fiberglass bumper, no slits. So I think I'm making my own slits. We're gonna see how this goes. I was thinking about doing like something like a Gorilla Spray adhesive. Gorilla Glue bonds virtually everything: wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more.
And bumpers.
This might be it, boys.
Of my hood, drinking the mud I made out of the sewer. Chrome heart accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gonna empty. Big break connected to look at the kid. Dirty to found them, but making the counter to bro, get this money like it's my religion. This could be a mad day, a sad day for any of these. They try to compare whatever I did. Them niggas touch.
We're back. Drop. I'm gonna pretty much end it right here for this. Ocala was awesome. Like I said, saw all the homies. It's fun, but I really need to pop out. Like when I need to be outside, I need to fully be outside. None of that half stepping, none of that half outside shit. So you guys, check this out. We were using freaking like this JB plastic weld shit that I already waste. Look at that, $10 waste. Basically, what we're gonna do with that is plastic weld this all in and keep it sturdy with some weight over it. I need to go get some more, but the way this is coming out, it's pretty solid. I'm messing with it. I hope you guys are rocking with it the way I'm rocking with it. But yo, see you guys next time.